words. Starts off and says, rally you sons of Notre Dame. All the fight song talks about is overcoming odds. One know the odds being great or small, Notre Dame will win overall. It talks about competing, it talks about bouncing back from adversity, and that's what Notre Dame is. And it talks about the love and the loyalty to this university. That's what makes it a great song. It's got a great rhythm, but it's the loyalty, the love of Notre Dame. But it's overcoming the odds, and everybody in this country faces odds.
Injuries are never anything that we like to deal with. And it's unfortunate we've had some injuries that have happened to our brothers on our football team. There's no quitting anybody in here. Nobody was going to let anybody down.
In every football game, you have a winner and a loser, but on every play, you have 11 winners and 11 losers. Every play, either you won or you lost in comparison with the guy next to you. Life's a personal battle in everything you do. Games that are always the best is when you have a group of people that absolutely refuse to lose.